So let's just unbox these memory kits here. The Dominator Platinum RGB from Corsair. You know, I really only bought these because they were sold as a demo device or demo unit. So they were 50% off, which was kind of a insane price because this is a very high-end memory kit. 50% off, sold as a demo device. I was kind of a little concerned that there was actually something wrong with them. Maybe there was some damage to the unit and maybe they were like without its packaging or yeah, whatever. Because on the website, they don't really specify why they are sold as a demo unit. It could be just somebody who returned them. Maybe they have some kind of warranty claim and it has been repaired and so on and so on. Maybe it came without the box. They couldn't really specify, so I was a little nervous actually buying these. But yeah, let's just have a look at what we actually got. If they are brand new, I have my suspicion that they actually are. Maybe they've just been part of some kind of warranty claim. So if a user had issue with the memory, they send it back for warranty. And once the seller got the warranty device back from Corsair, maybe they just sold that one out. I'm not really sure because this appeared to be brand new. But again, we will have a look at that in this video here. So high quality memory, Dominator Platinum, I believe these are the highest end memory from Corsair. Correct me if I'm wrong. 3600 megahertz, so pretty okay in terms of speed. This is the 32GB kit, of course, DDR4. And of course we do have the RGB and Ryzen compatibility as well. 32GB here on the bottom. Dominator Platinum RGB here on this side. You can see there's a little bit of damage to the packaging there. So I'm not sure if it's actually been repacked, but anyway, we'll have a look at that in this video, of course. Corsair, 32GB and Dominator Platinum. And looking at it from the back here, you can kind of see inside the packaging, the two memory sticks there, and of course a little bit of information on the back. You can of course see the model number there as well. But as you can see here, it does have tape on both sides. I'm not really sure if this is something from the seller. We've actually repackaged this or whatever, but they seem to be sealed brand new. Let's just actually check that out in this video, of course. So let's unbox it and have a closer look. I'm not really sure if we need to open both sides, but let's just start with one side here and see if we can get them out this way. I seem to be able to do so. And that's all we get in the packaging. Looking at the included information here, we do get a little bit of a, what is it? Safety information. So yeah, don't eat these and install instructions there. So yeah, pretty much just plug them in and go. And then of course we have the memory kit themselves. Looks like there is some fingerprints in here. So definitely somebody have been in here before, I think. Let's have a closer look. You can kind of just remove it like so. Very heavy, definitely a lot of heatsink on these memory kits here. Very heavy, very high quality. You can see a little bit of a fingerprint there on one of the memory sticks, but other than that, just look through the packaging here. Don't think these have ever been seated into a DIMM slot. Let's just try and open one of them. See, there is a little bit of miscoloring here on the plastic. I hope it's just the plastic packaging. Yeah, once we are inside, they definitely look close to, if not brand new. When I look at it a little bit closer, it does kind of look like it has been installed before. It's easier to just take a photo here and have a look at that. And you can see here, they have definitely been inside some kind of a motherboard before this. But I don't really mind too much because, like I said, 50% off. It's kind of insane. My main concern was if there was some kind of damage to the unit, like physically damage to the unit. And you can see here, this one at least looks brand new. Nothing really here on the top. Still seems to have some kind of plastic on there. So maybe somebody just regretted the purchase and returned it. I think that's what we are dealing with here, because it seems to have been installed before. But yeah, there's not really any damage, at least to this DIMM here. Let's just have a look at the other one. So if we're just talking about some guy who are actually returning it because he didn't really like the product or didn't find it fast enough or whatever. Maybe it wasn't compatible with his setup, lighting, or yeah, something like that. Too tall, definitely a very tall DIMM, and returned it, then I'm definitely very happy with that. These are the 18, 22, 22, 42 timings, DIMMs. You can also get them a little bit tighter than this. So this is not the most tight timings of this specific module or specific series of DIMMs from Corsair. Just having a look around here. Yeah, looks pretty close to brand new. The only place to really tell that these have been opened before is actually the pins here. You can kind of see that they have definitely some scraping on them. Definitely very happy. If that's the only issue, of course, I will test them out and see if they will work properly. I hope it's not, because the original buyer of these had some issues with them. They were not stable or crashed or something like that, and they will just resell them anyways. I hope it's not something like that. I hope it's just some guy who actually regretted his purchase. And right now I'm just going to use these with an Intel 7th generation CPU, so I'm not really going to use the highest clock speed. I'm only really going to use these at its close to native speed, which is 2666 native speed. I'm going to run them at 2400 right now, but I also want to be able to upgrade in the future, which is one of the reasons why I wanted a faster kit, because I wanted to upgrade in the future. And right now I wanted something that could actually hit that 400 megahertz of base frequency, or speed rather. A lot of those 3200 megahertz memory modules are actually only 2133 megahertz at the base clock speed. So kind of hard to find something that is actually 2400 or 2666 like these are. So definitely look forward to using them in my temporary build, and also looking forward to get these in some kind of a build in the future, some Ryzen build. Whenever I upgrade one of my other PCs, I will downgrade that to my gaming PC that I have in my living room, where these are going to live. But anyways, this was just an unboxing of these nice looking memory kits. Very high quality, or high quality feeling memory kit. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope to see you again in the future one. Until then, take care.